What's up, family? It's your girl D from Conscious Indulgences, and this week I'll be bringing you guys another lock tutorial. So I've had these pipe cleaner curls in for about 9 or 10 weeks. They still look great, but I'm pretty sure it's about time for a wash and a retwist. If you guys agree, make sure you hit that thumbs up and that like button below. So here's a close-up of my new growth. I am looking at about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of new growth altogether. So since my hair has been chemically treated to achieve this particular color, I do tend to use 2 shampoos and a deep conditioner. 1 shampoo for cleansing, the other shampoo to maintain color, and the deep conditioner to lock in moisture. So the first shampoo we're going to be using is the Taliah Waajid Stimulating Herbal Cleanser. I absolutely love this cleanser. It does a really great job of making my hair feel very clean and refreshed. And it does have mint and green tea in it, which does leave that exfoliating aspect. The next shampoo I'll be using is the Uniq No Yellow Silver Shampoo, aka the purple shampoo. So this shampoo has come in handy for me ever since I bleached my hair. It definitely has helped to eliminate the yellow and brassy tones that do tend to come along after you bleach your hair. It's also kind of like a nice mystery game for me that every time I wash my hair, the shampoo does tend to turn my hair a different shade every week. And then the last product I'll be using is the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask with sea kelp and argan oil. Now the sea kelp is a mineral-rich nutrition. It does help to seal and smooth my hair cuticles. The argan oil does help to restore shine, as well as the shea butter being deeply moisturizing for my locks. Usually am not a fan of Shea Moisture products, especially when I had loose natural hair, but this product works very, very well with my locks. Ever since I did bleach them, my hair does not feel stripped. It does still feel very moisturized and very strong and healthy. So the things that we'll be needing for this style is a spray bottle filled with tap water, the Just Locs Organic Rooted Oil, and of course, my favorite, my Taliah Waajid Strengthening Butter. So upon creating this video, I discovered that I didn't have any more. So I literally had to run out to the beauty supply to see if I could either find the same product or something that was similar.
15 minutes later.
So I actually lucked out at the beauty supply, guys. I found the same Taliah Waajid Strengthening Butter, just a therapeutic formula. So this formula is paraben free and does have tea tree oil as well as coconut oil in it. It's supposed to stop itchy scalp and minor scalp irritations. So we'll see how this one works. Looking at both bottles, there aren't much differences besides the little change in color. The new bottle is a little bit of a darker purple. And price-wise, at my local beauty supply store, the therapeutic formula was $1 more. To complete this particular style, you're going to be needing some scrunchies, really stretchy scrunchies, as well as some rubber bands. So to To prepare my hair for the braid out, the first thing I'm going to do is split my hair in two and put them in two separate ponytails. I'm going to take each section of my hair, I'm going to spray that with the spray bottle, and then take a decent amount of the Dredlock's organic oil, and I'm going to rub it between my hands and rub that in very, very well into my roots. Then I'm going to take a small amount of the oil and I'm going to put that into my hands and rub that oil into the length of my locks. I want to make sure that the ends of my locks are just as moisturized as my roots. Once I'm done with the first half, I'm going to go ahead and repeat step 1 and 2 on the opposite side. So I have completed one braid. I just want to show you guys how I go ahead and section off my hair for each braid. Obviously, I need 3 locks to be put together to create that braid look. I also look for 3 locks that are close together. So in this particular instance, I happen to pull 1 lock in the front and 2 in the back. I'm going to be taking this first lock and retwisting, but first I'm going to go ahead and straighten out my parts with my fingers. Then I'm going to lay down that strengthening butter, the Therapeudic formula, rub it into my roots, and then I'm going to palm roll. I'm going to do this technique with the other 2 locks so that I can go ahead and create my braid. Give you guys a little bit of a close-up of the actual braiding process. I braid over, so I am basically going to overlap each lock over each other, creating that braid shape. I get to the end of the lock, I'm going to go ahead and twist the ends and tuck, and then use the rubber band to hold the braid together. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys another close-up of another section. This section does have 2 locks in the front and 1 in the back. I'm going to go ahead and add in my strengthening butter and then palm roll. I'm going to repeat these steps on the other 2 locks, and then I'll give you guys another close-up of my braiding technique. Do is gather all 3 of the locks together, and then I'm going to overlap one after the other all the way down the length of my hair, again securing at the bottom with a rubber band. done braiding up all of my locks. This process did take a little long, but it definitely is worth it because this braid out will be a 2-in-1 style. I'm actually going to wear these braids for about a week to 2 weeks, and then I'll go ahead and take them out and wear that as a style as well. So I actually like the way that I parted my hair doing this style. It gives me a lot of different versatility where I'm able to do half up, half down, ponytails, side parts with low ponytails, and things of that sort.
1 week later.
Taking out these braids was definitely time consuming, but this style is worth it. Luckily, I did do this on a Sunday night rather than a Monday morning where I would definitely not have had enough time. I'm gonna put my bonnet on and I'm gonna go ahead and head to bed. I am absolutely loving the way my hair came out. This braid out is super defined and will be really long lasting. And it's crazy because I only had these braids in for about a week. I'm gonna go ahead and put the finishing touches on this style with, of course, that Eco Styler gel. I'm gonna slick down these baby hairs and flick them real quick so I can finish up this style and head out to work. My braid out on locks tutorial. If you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial as much as I enjoyed making it, make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love and light, family.